The Lok Sabha Speaker's post will see an election after talks between the ruling BJP-led NDA and the opposition broke down, even though both sides reached a consensus initially. While the NDA has picked BJP MP Om Birla as the candidate, the opposition has decided to field veteran Congress leader K. Suresh.
NDA versus India. The battle lines are drawn in Parliament. And it is the election of the Lok Sabha Speaker that has become the big flashpoint. On Tuesday morning, NDA proposed Om Birla's name for the post. Top BJP netas accompanied him as he filed his nomination. Hours later, the opposition bloc fielded K. Suresh as its own contender for the Speaker post.
The government is breaking the convention of the Lok Sabha. Speaker post will be the ruling party, then Deputy Speaker will come to opposition. That Deputy Speaker is they are not ready to give it to opposition. That's why we are contesting to Speaker post.
The opposition is clear that it will support Om Birla's candidature only if it is promised the Deputy Speaker's post. So far, there is no consensus on that.
पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए।
का उपाध्यक्ष कौन होगा वो पहले तय करे, फिर अध्यक्ष के लिए समर्थन मिलेगा। इस प्रकार की राजनीति को हम की निंदा करते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि अच्छी परंपरा ये रहती है कि लोकसभा निर्विरोध एक सर्वसम्मति से अध्यक्ष चुनता।
तो ये जो आदान प्रदान करके ये पद ये पार्टी ले लो, वो पद ये पार्टी, ऐसा स्पीकर और डिप्टी स्पीकर को नहीं कर सकते। कांग्रेस ने अगर नामांकन भराया तो दुख की बात है, क्योंकि स्पीकर पद को लेकर के आज तक चुनाव नहीं हुआ है।
We are ready to support speaker suggested by the BJP or the government side, provided they should also honor the opposition status. And UPA was in power 10 years. All the 10 years we given deputy speaker to NDA, BJP. There is no problem for that at all.
The India Alliance claims the opposition has been insulted and that the Modi government can't be trusted.
अभी सब सामने आ रही चीजें। जो विपक्ष की मांग यही थी कि उपाध्यक्ष विपक्ष का हो। जो हमारी राय पार्टी की है वो है कि उपाध्यक्ष विपक्ष का हो और बाकी बातें अभी सब सामने आ रही।
But another key ally, the TMC, says that the decision to field K. Suresh was taken by the Congress unilaterally.
लेकिन अभी कोई
कांटेक्ट नहीं किया है, कोई बातचीत नहीं हुआ है, and unfortunately this has been a unilateral decision.
प्रैक्टिस है कि रूलिंग पार्टी के पास स्पीकर की होनी जाती है और अपोजिशन के पास डिप्टी स्पीकर की जाती थी। मोदी साहब के रिव्यू में कि अपोजिशन को डिप्टी स्पीकर की सोच लेने के बाद उसका स्वीकार उन्होंने किया नहीं।
This will be the only third time since independence that elections for the Lok Sabha Speaker will be held. The Speaker is elected by a simple majority, so the NDA has an advantage when it comes to the numbers, with 293 seats. The opposition India Alliance has 233 seats. With Ashutosh and Piyush Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.